In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove phone number from Discord. If you're cleaning up your account details or you no longer want your number linked, I'll walk you through everything clearly so you can do it with confidence. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app or the browser version. Both work the same for this process. Make sure you're already signed into the account you want to update. Next, go to your user settings. On desktop, look to the bottom left corner and click the small gear icon next to your username. If you're on mobile, you'll find similar options by tapping your profile picture and opening settings. The goal is simply to get into your account settings area. Once you're in settings, click My Account. This is where your core profile and login details live. It's helpful to take a quick look here to confirm your email is current, since removing a phone number can affect how you recover your account later. From My Account, head to the security section. Depending on your version of Discord, it may appear as security or as a section that contains password and authentication options. You're looking for the area where Discord lists your phone number. Find the phone number entry. You should see your current number displayed along with an option to remove it. When you're ready, click Remove. Discord takes your account safety seriously, so it will ask you to confirm this change. A prompt will appear asking for your account password. Type your password carefully to verify it's really you making the change. This is a standard security step, and it prevents unauthorized edits to important settings. After entering your password, click Remove again to finalize. If Discord needs extra confirmation, such as an authentication code, just follow the on-screen prompt. Once the removal is complete, the phone number field should disappear or switch to an option to add a number later. A few quick notes before we wrap up. Removing your phone number can affect features like two-factor authentication or server verification requirements. Some communities require a verified number to participate, and you may need to add a number again if you choose to enable certain security settings in the future. To stay secure, make sure your email is verified and your password is strong and unique. If you don't see the remove option, updating your app or checking your connection can help. That's it. Your phone number is now removed from Discord. Thanks for watching and take care of your account security.